In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format linked text over an image. First, make sure you have your image on the canvas. Then click text to create a new text box. You can choose a heading, subheading, or a simple body text, whatever fits your design. Once the text box appears, drag it directly onto the image. Place it where it's easy to read, ideally where there's good contrast between the text and the background. If the image is busy, consider moving the text to a cleaner area or slightly adjusting the image position for clarity. Next, adjust the size of the text. Use the corner handles to scale it up or down until it's comfortably legible. Keep an eye on spacing around the edges so the text doesn't feel cramped. A balanced size makes it easier to read at a glance, especially on smaller screens. Now, make it a multiple space. Open your text or paragraph settings and set the line spacing to multiple. A touch more than single spacing gives each line a bit of breathing room and helps your text sit nicely on the image. You don't need to go overboard, just enough to avoid crowding. Select all the text so any changes apply consistently. You can drag to highlight everything or use a quick select all shortcut, whichever you prefer. With the text still selected, add your link. Press Ctrl+K to open the link dialog, paste your URL into the field, and confirm. This turns the entire text selection into a clickable link, which is great for call to action headlines or captions. With the link in place, move to the right side of your editor. Go to the text section and click on the three dots to expand the advanced options. Look for the decoration settings, choose the first one in the list. This applies the default decoration style, which helps the link look intentional and consistent with your design. Depending on your editor, this might add a subtle styling that makes the link more recognizable without distracting from the image. Take a final look at your layout. Ensure the text is still readable over the image, the size feels right, the spacing is comfortable, and the link is active. If needed, nudge the text slightly or tweak the color for better contrast. And that's it! Clean, clickable text layered over your image, styled and spaced for maximum clarity.